we will now try to add the next slide in our presentation, and for this the next method I'm going to tell you is to right click in the slide sorter section and click on new slide. When you do this, you will get the same layout as was in the previous slide. So a new slide has got added here. Here I would like to go back to my notepad where I've got the data, copy this title from here and come back to notepad, and we will paste it here. It's come here in the center. I'm going to reposition it, change the font and the font size. Now I'll go back, collect the data that is there for air pollution from here, come back here and paste it and resize this, and also change the font size. So maybe I'll keep it at 32. Now along with this slide, it doesn't look nice that if a slide only has textual matter. It is nice to add some images to it. So I would like to add some images of air pollution on this. So to add an image into your PowerPoint slide, we'll go into Insert, and in Insert there's an option here called Pictures. So we're going to select this from the Images group, Insert ribbon, Insert tab. So we'll click on Pictures, and when we click on Pictures, a window pops up. We want to go to the desktop where my pictures I have kept, and this is on air pollution that I'm looking at. So I've got these two images here. So I'm going to actually select both of them with the Shift key, or if you want you can do one by one also, and insert it here. Now this image, these two images have come here. I'm just going to reposition them. I think I will keep it like this because otherwise it won't be positioned. You can resize the images to suit the size of your slide, or if you want you can even resize the text box. So I'm going to do this, and since there doesn't seem to be enough space, I'm going to select both the text boxes and click and reposition them together. As you've seen, I've selected both of them together and just dragged it up. So I can now make the size of this image a little bigger. So that is my screen on slide on air pollution. Now I want to add another slide. So I've given you two methods of adding new slide here. The third method is through a shortcut. The shortcut is Control M, M for mother on the keyboard. So I'll press the Control key and press the M key. That will add one more slide. So I get another slide. I'll go back and check in the notepad. The next pollution that I need to talk about is water pollution. I will select it from here, come here and paste it, reposition it, select the correct font and the correct size. Go back and get the matter on water pollution and paste it here. In this manner, I am going to prepare my data. I'll just reposition this and increase the size a bit here. And again, I want to insert two images into this. So I'm going to get the images from the desktop, going to the Insert button, Pictures. This is water pollution. So I've got two images on water. I'll click on both with using the Shift key and Insert. So I can just reposition each image on my screen. In this manner, I can slowly one by one get in all the matter. I have already collected all the matter on the notepad for the different types of pollution. This was water pollution. Then I have got information on land pollution, noise pollution and plastic pollution. So I will quickly add all these and the images associated with it, and I'll come to you next with the full presentation.